Politics ye ade a masua enti ebra no eya me ye presentation konya yen se be fa side den a contribute kakra aboa ye country Ghana enti ne mpese ye hwe the history of Ghana presidency no so be kai ye see Ghana ye ne fa ho die 1957 manya no kre Ghana esaji ne fa ho die biom anasa Ghana san regaining independence because now of who did that sana the first European countries are mobile Ghana na Portuguese na di kan ba Ghana first and sana Dutch for near Holland for and sana Danish for near Denmark for and sana Swedish last people are mobile Ghana for independence say British, that's the UK. Omo me the last person now also mobile free Ghana. Enti sisi no Ghana independence 1957 no na Kwame Nkrumah ni na big six no mo bo ma Ghana eden independence but Ghana enye the first republic no e 1960 na Ghana ye the first republic. Yes, 1960 and the first republic na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na ye president. Enti Kwame Nkrumah rule from 1960 to 1966 and omo ye cool eyi no ebi mu say CIA for ka ho CIA for ne American for to say Ghana CID for no mo say omo ka ho and omo tu Kwame Nkrumah no but Ghana for na omo ka ho omo tu Kwame Nkrumah na police ni soldier for say ebe kai Kotoka International Airport no ka ho bi and Ankara Lieutenant Ankara until two Kwame Nkrumah na Lieutenant Ankara na ye Ghana head of state and I say you can say president on ye electing in T and time you say president you say head of state enti Ankara na rule ye na more time no so Joseph Ankara no ono so rule from 1966 to 1969 or you still 1966 to 1969 rule for 3 years and party na no the rule ye no and I say sorry we no soldier kuo na no mo rule sa mo tu ko ngwa na efre o NLC National Liberation Council NLC omo no mo tu ko Nkrumah and omo rule for 3 years enti omo rule for 3 years no 1969 no and Ankara Lieutenant General Ankara no omo tu ni free so ne o tu ni free so ne mamponi akra a ye friend Afrifa kosi Afrifa 102 we Ankara every Ghana president ni so to Ankara no Afrifa akosi Afrifa and two Ankara free so akosi Afrifa so two free so no ono so rule for some months some can say two or rule Joseph Ankara rule from 1966 to 1969 and akosi Afrifa ebe two ni free so kosi Afrifa be two ni free so no party na omo de ba ebe two free ni so na ye friend NRC National Redemption Council and omo 2 Ankara free so omo 2 free so na omo 2 ni free so na 79 ankosi Ankara no rule for some months and ye elections and a Bush ye den win ye and na second republic Bush no ye prime minister and the Bush ye prime minister no and na oyi president Nana Akufo-Addo papa na friend Nana Akufo-Addo as ceremonial president until Bush rule from 1969 to 1972 or rule for almost 3 years Bush government or rule for 3 years until rule for 3 years and soldiers for na side then as I be too free so this time IK Achampon 2 Bush abani free so o two ni free so 1972 and o ruling from 1972 to 1978 Achampon na soldier ban from 1972 to 1978 na Achampon o ruling for 6 good years and to rule for 6 good years then omo can say house arrest and omo ye na house arrest and omo ma Achampon here then resign here that was under National Liberation Council but Achampon resign here no and omo change din to SMC Supreme Military Council. It is Supreme Military Council no na Akosi Akufu. And I say, yes, Fred Kosi Akufu. Fred Kosi Akufu. On the two Achampon, a free show. And Akufu Nusu rule from 1978 to 1979. Wow, rule from 1978 to 1979. And a Rollis said then, a buyer. And to Rollis buyer, no, on also the AFRC nearby Armed Forces Revolution Council and obey ye Akufu every ho. Enti Akufu free honomono and a Rollis by June 4th. But before that, in Rollis try so yoku or two Akufu free, so that was May and Omocheno and Omuyin free prison and Osabe second coup 1979. Enti Rollis year coup 1979 and or say okay. Young Fanko Fourth Republic. Sorry, young Fanko Third Republic because Bush and NA Second Republic and a Third Republic near year election. The year election at Dr. Hillary Lima had a winnie and a Third Republic. And the Lima winning 1979 and no rule year to 1981. 81 a roll is ahead and a samba a Jato de Nasson and a samba a bit two. Dr. Hillary Lima had a free show. This time there or the PNDC near then a buyer and obey two roll is said a free show. PNDC and obey two roll is said PNDC and obey two Dr. Lima a free show. And this time roll is a buyer no or the PNDC nearby Provisional National Liberation Council PNDC Provisional National Division Council. Yes, PNDC. And the PNDC no or ruling from 1981 to 1992. In 1982 no na ye agitate ye say per democracy and ye democracy and ye election. In 1992 no win ye. Rolls are win ye. And the rolls rule ya to 2000. 2000 the second time na awie. And all the atamis by and atamis ni President Kufuor ejina ye. Omujina na Kufuor winnie ye. Kufuor winnie ye ruling from 2000 to 2008 under Fourth Republic. And the Kufuor the time so ye. And atamis ni President Nana Akufo-Addo ejina ye. And atamis winnie ye. And to 2000 to 2002 and winnie from 2008 until 2008 to 2012 no. And na ya tamis but tamis ewu ye within 2012 and John Mahama take it over and ye election from 2012 and John Mahama win and rule from 2012 to 2016. In 2016 na John Mahama ne Nana Akufo-Addo ejina ye and Nana Akufo-Addo win ye. In TCC from 2006 to 2020 Nana Akufo-Addo na ye president. And in conclusion, near me can say, you gain your independence or Fourth Republic. Fourth Republic, no, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Busia, Dr. Hillary Lima, and Rollis ni Omo Amutu Atwasun. And Ghana, ye history no say, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah rule no, and Ankara be two Kwame Nkrumah free so no a soldier abai. Or no two come free soon, and Ankara no so soldier bands are be two no free soon. A free for be two free soon. A free for be two winning free soon. And oye election and a budget and a budget winnie. Budget winnie no and yes have two budget a free show. A champion have two budget free show. A punch of two budget free soon and a kufu. And so a bit two a champion free show. And Akufo so always based on between free show and sana by election. And your history no can be say me in such a way so say me can faster. Me say me beat time. And sana your history is it me damasi say muti. Next time me the English the version me then ever brom. Bye bye.